In this video, I'm out in Spring Hill in the Pasco County part. Yes, I said Pasco County, and the reason I want to say that is because someone in the previous video mentioned that Spring Hill is not in Pasco County. Well, it is. It's in Pasco County and in Hernando County. So I'm in the Pasco County section, just north of 52 and west of the Suncoast Parkway. So today I'm going to take you on a tour of two brand new construction homes that are ready to go. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But enough talking, let's start today's tour. Quick edit, because I know I forgot to add this to the video. Wanted to let you know about the incentives right now. $15,000 towards closing costs, 5.99% interest rate for FHA, 6.25% for conventional financing with using the builder's lender and title company. And that is obviously subject to change, but I just wanted to add that to the video. So let's start the tour. All right, this one is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1828 square feet. It has been reduced about $28,000 down to $359,990. HOA fee is $113 a month and no CDD fee. So let me pan around, show you what it looks like. Still building out over here, obviously. All right, let's go inside and take a look at this one. Make sure to let me know what you think about it in the comments below. So when you come in, you have your tile all on the floor, and directly to the left is going to be your linen closet slash coat closet. And as you'll see throughout here, there's like little blue and green tape. So it's pretty much completely done. You've got a couple touch-ups, a couple of minor things I got to finish. But up front right here, you're going to have one bedroom here. And then your bathroom, white cabinets. Those are laminate countertops. This is their Express series, but you know, it's great for those first-time home buyers or those downsizers. Bedroom number 2. All right, continuing on. Down the hallway, right here to the left, you're gonna have another linen closet, and over to the right, this is going to be your 2-car garage. And then when you come out of the garage, you go straight into the laundry room here, and your washer and dryer is included here. And then bedroom number 3. Coming on into the kitchen, get your granite countertops, your white cabinets, electric appliances here. Got your walk-in closet, or pantry, I'm sorry. Dining area here. Nice family room slash living room. And then your master suite is in the back here. Dual vanity, got your walk-in shower there. You have 2 closets, so there's gonna be one closet here for your toiletries, stuff like that, towels, and then your actual bedroom closet right here. Toilet area there. Let's go outside and take a look at the covered lanai and the backyard. All right, so you come on out, you got your covered lanai here, and then your backyard. I'm not gonna walk out there because it's fresh sod and it's been raining, so I don't wanna track any of the stuff in, but that's what it looks like there. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments below. All right, this one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1672 square feet. It has been reduced about $31,000 down to $342,990. We pan around, it's right next door to the last one. So The view doesn't change much. But let's go inside and take a look at this one. I know they're in here cleaning, getting ready for open house for the weekend. So just disregard that, but let's go inside and take a look. Coming on this one, you got the tile floor all throughout, nice wide hallways. Coming on in to the left, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So bedroom number 1's up here on the front. You do have a linen closet right here. Bathroom number 1, the darker cabinets, laminate countertops, got your tub and shower combo there. And bedroom number 2. All right, continuing on in. Right over here is going to be your 2-car garage. Laundry room right here, washer and dryer included. Air handler behind that door. Continuing on in, gonna have your kitchen here with the granite countertops, the darker wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, your walk-in pantry, and then on the other side of the island over here is gonna be your family room / living room. Dining area over here, and then your master suite in the back. Nice size walk-in closet. There's shelving behind the door as well. And then into the bathroom. So toilet there. And then you have your closet here. Shower there. And then your dual vanity there. All right, let's go outside and take a look at the covered lanai and the backyard. Forgot to unlock this side. All right, so here is your covered lanai and then the backyard here. And as you can see, the fence, vinyl fencing there, once you move in, then that is yours. It is not part of the HOA. So that would be up to you to maintain the fence. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But until next video, take care.